Hey y'all, welcome to the King Dancers Challenge tutorial. So let's get it, let's go y'all.
We're going to start off in dolphin pose, holding it for 20 seconds. So what this pose does is improve the ability to reach behind your head and also open your shoulders. Now we're going to step into a variation of triangle pose for 30 seconds, and we're going to do this on each leg. And what this pose does is stretch your hamstrings so there's no resistance while pulling your leg up. Next, we're going to transition into low lunge for 20 seconds on each leg. This pose opens up your shoulders and stretches your hip flexors. We're going to transition into a 20-second puppy pose. This pose stretches the chest, the sides of the body, and opens your shoulders so that you're more able to reach your body overhead. We're going to transition into a 30-second tiger's pose, and we're going to do this on each leg. This is to lengthen your hip flexors and stretch your glutes. We're going to transition into a 20-second pigeon pose variation, and we're going to do this on each leg. This improves flipping your grip while you're in a stable place and stretches your hip flexors. Now you're ready to try this pose. If you don't get it right away, try this warm-up for 30 days and see how it goes. Also, credits to the creator who came up with this warm-up. Her name will be in the description box below.
I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. I will see you guys in the next one. Namaste.